Hey, how's it going? September 16th is when iOS 14 was released. So I've been using it for 3 days now and it's great. But in this video what I want to do is I want to show you the features that you will notice. There are 5 of them and let's get into it. Wait. Actually, before we get into it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more. And share this video with your friends and family. Alright, now let's get into it. With number 1, widgets. So widgets have been a part of other operating systems such as Android and Windows Phone, but for the first time ever, iOS is including widgets on their home screen. For now, they're mostly first-party apps, but in the future, hopefully it'll expand to third-party apps. Personally, I like these widgets. The style, the color, the shapes, everything, the design. I love the design of the widgets. Apple has introduced a unique way to let users interact with widgets, and that's called widget stacks. Now what widget stacks are a set of widgets, mostly first party for now, that are stacked on top of each other, which will give you at-a-glance information that you can scroll through depending on what you need. You can further customize the stacked widget by changing the arrangement of each widget, and you can enable or disable Smart Rotate, which is basically when it rotates automatically for you depending on the time of day. In addition to that, you can customize individual widgets within the stacked widgets. So you can have a weather widget of a certain location, for example. For now, like I said, there's only first-party widgets and they have different types of sizes. This is the biggest size. As you can see, it doesn't fit the whole home screen, but it fits most of the home screen. Unlocking the phone now is a bit weird because of the widgets, but it's still awesome. Next, we move on to App Library. Now, App Library is basically the app drawer, if you know what it is from an Android phone. It's where all your apps are, instead of having to place them on a home screen and have it somewhat disorganized. This way, everything is organized and in one place, and there's a searchable list that's alphabetically organized. The next feature is Compact UI. Now, what this means is that phone calls and Siri and Netflix and other things will be compact. It won't take up the entire screen and you can do whatever you want to do uninterrupted. You also have picture-in-picture mode, like I said, with Netflix and videos from Safari or movies or Apple TV. It's compact and it's uninterruption. The next feature is for the AirPods Pro users and it's called Spatial Audio. So you open up your AirPods and you connect them to your phone and you'll see this new setting called Spatial Audio. Until now, the default audio setting was stereo audio, but you can change that to spatial audio. And I'll link a video in the description below to further explain what this is. The next and final feature that you will notice is in the camera UI. It's a little bit different. You can access more settings more easily by swiping up and choosing different aspect ratios from square, 4:3 and 16:9, and the best thing of all is in video mode you can switch resolutions and frame rate right from the camera rather than going into settings and changing it and going back to camera. It was a hassle before and now it's just much better. So those are 5 features that you will notice in iOS 14 when you update, but should you update? The short answer is no, not yet. If you value battery life and overall stability of software at all, then I would say to wait for a further future update like iOS 14.1 or 14.2 or a more stable version of iOS 14. But if you want the new features, then yeah, go ahead and update. So this was just a video on 5 features that you will notice when you update to iOS 14. Leave a like below if you thought this video was helpful and fun to watch, and subscribe to watch more like this. Like I said earlier in the video, share this with your friends and family, and if you want me to make more iOS 14 or iPad OS 14 videos, let me know in the comments down below. Also let me know in the comments down below whether you're updating to iOS 14 or not, and if you have, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.